Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my name is Mas and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you a new project that is very close to my heart. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I have recently launched a new YouTube channel called Mother Fashion, where I will be sharing fashion content from around the world. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion trend and style from American women, French women, Belgian women, Russian women, English women, and worldwide women. The best fashion I will show you in my video. So I will be covering it all. I would love you to join me as this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. Let's explore world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, welcome to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish Russian women. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, this Russian model sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you will never miss our new videos. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most important fashion discussion you will make for your big day, your wedding dresses. Especially we are observing our bridal maxi dresses. From elegant to bohemian maxi dresses are stunning choice for any bride. Let's dive in. Maxi dresses are incredibly versatile. Whether you are having a beach wedding, a rustic brand wedding, for a formal crutch wedding, there is a maxi dresses to suit your style. Let's be real, brides, comfort is a key on your wedding day. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store like Amazon, eBay. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. Subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. I wanted to take a moment to tell you about my amazing YouTube channel, Mother Fashion. So if you are a fan of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, then you are in the right place. On my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty with you, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice. My goal with Mother Fashion is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. I believe that fashion is for everyone, regardless of age and size. or style. I strive to make my content inclusive and retailable. So if you are looking for a daily dose of fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell. I uploaded new content every day, so you will never miss the things. Thanks for watching, and you will be seeing new videos every day. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So in today's video we are talking about Russian model iconics who are also part of one of the most famous So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. And you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel, and you are watching Russian woman. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please I request all of you, subscribe to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Stay tuned for some fashion inspiration and ideas on how to look your best in this season. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident regardless of your size. Embrace your beauty and let these dresses help you do just that. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and family members, and feel free to leave any question or comments down below. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future? And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our fashion and wedding related content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section, and we will be happy to assist you. Your son or daughter's wedding is a momentous occasion, and we are here to help you look and feel your best on this special day. Let's dive into the world of mother of the bride dresses and make this experience memorable and stress-free. Stay tuned for more fashion and wedding related content, and feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. So join us as we explore the latest fashion trend and expert advice to help you find the perfect mother of the bride dresses that suits your style and make you feel like a queen on your daughter's big day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.